With viruses floating around and energy levels tanking, you need something powerful and fast. Today, I'm sharing a legendary super immune boosting shot that works in just 1 hour. Yep, you take one shot and you'll feel energized, clear, and ready to conquer the day. This recipe is loaded with science-backed ingredients that kick your immune system into high gear, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it step by step. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because I've got more science-backed wellness hacks coming your way every week. Here are tons of things that can weaken your immune system: stress, poor sleep, sugar, and processed foods. But this super tonic is designed to do 3 major things. Boost your white blood cells. Supercharge your T cells. Help your body fight off invaders fast. The secret is in the combo of 6 immune-crushing ingredients that have been used for centuries and are now proven by science. Cucumber. Cucumbers are 96% water and help flush toxins while hydrating your cells. They contain antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, natural defenders against free radicals. Garlic. This is a natural antibiotic. When crushed, garlic produces allicin, a compound that enhances immune response and helps prevent colds and flu. Ginger. Ginger contains gingerols, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant powerhouses that support digestion and immune defense. Plus, it gives this shot a spicy kick. Cayenne pepper. Say hello to capsaicin. It clears nasal congestion, boosts metabolism, and activates your internal fire to fight infections. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV is an alkaline-forming acid. Crazy, right? It helps balance pH, feeds good gut bacteria, and supports lymphatic detox. Your immune system loves that. Raw honey, or stevia monk fruit. Raw honey brings antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidant effects. Plus, it helps balance the spice. You can also use stevia or monk fruit if you're cutting sugar. Here's what you need. 1/2 cucumber, peeled. 2 cloves garlic, peeled. 1/2 inch ginger, peeled. 1 tbsp apple cider vinegar. 1 tbsp water. A dash of cayenne pepper. 1 tbsp raw honey or alternative sweetener. Chop everything, toss it into a high-speed blender, and blend for 30 to 60 seconds until liquefied. Pour into 2 shot glasses, one for now, one for later. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It gets into your bloodstream fast, giving you that clean, natural boost within the hour. Store the second shot in the fridge for an afternoon recharge. If it's too strong, chase it with a sip of water. You can even tweak the ingredients based on taste. Less garlic, more ginger, a touch more honey. It's totally customizable. Whether you're healthy, run down, or even battling something, this powerful little shot can help your body bounce back fast. It's easy to make, loaded with nature's medicine, and best of all, you feel it working almost immediately. So give it a shot, literally, and tell me in the comments how it made you feel. Share this video with your family and friends. Let's help everyone stay strong and energized naturally. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips, and as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one.